Hey guys, welcome back for another video from Standout 360. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook pixel on your WordPress website. Easy step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. Hey, and welcome back. So this tutorial assumes that you already have a business manager account with Facebook. If you don't, please head over to business.facebook.com and create an account, or just simply log in with your existing Facebook account. That should work. All right? Okay, so once you are in, so you're gonna land on this page right here. Okay, you're gonna see all your accounts if you have any. If you don't, if you're new, it's gonna be blank. So head over to Business Manager. From Business Manager, go to Business Settings. From Business Settings, you want to look for Data Source. It's always under Business Assets, Data Source. Okay, click on it, go down to Pixels. When you click Pixel, it's going to take you to this screen. Go ahead and click Add. Okay. From here, you want to give it a name. I'm going to call it Soccer Epic 2. Down here, you're going to put your, it's optional, you can put your website URL. Let's do this. Grab the URL, copy, put it in there, go continue. Once you hit continue, it's going to ask you two things. Do you want to continue manage your business, or do you want to set up a pixel? Click set up a pixel now. The next screen will give you more options. Option 1, add the code using a partner integration. This meant for if you are using a third-party application such as Google Tag Manager, you could do it. If you don't have your tag manager set up already, you could technically do it manually, and it's really simple. Okay, this is the manual option, and this one right here to email it to somebody. So what you want to do is click manual option, manually add it to your site, and when you click it, Facebook's gonna generate a snippet that you can add to your website so you can track traffic. And you want to install this one in the header tag of your website. Let me show you how to do this. First, copy the snippet. Now, once you copy it, go back to your the back end of the site, the website. Okay. Alright, we're in the back end right now. Here you have many options. Option number 1 is going through the theme folders and install it in the header manually. I'm just going to show you how to do this, but I don't recommend it. We're not going to use this method because if you don't have a child theme set up, or once the theme updates, you might lose the pixel. So we don't want to do that, okay? But here I'm going to show you how to do it. So you go Appearance, Theme Editor, and that will take you to the back end. Right here on the right side, you're going to find the header folder. Click on it, and you're going to basically paste the snippet in the header section over here. Again, we are not going to use this method. Let me show you the easy way to do it. Okay, head over to plugins and click add new. Okay, once you're on this page, add insert header. Okay, search for it. There are many options that you can use. I personally use this one here. It's called install header and footer. It has over 1 million installation, and it's very reliable, easy to use. So again, it's your choice, but I highly recommend this one. install. Okay, then activate. Okay, once you activate the plugin, it's gonna appear under settings here in your left sidebar. Okay, just go settings, go down to insert header. Okay, I already had one installed in there, but I'm just gonna show you. So let's delete this one. Basically, it's gonna give you 3 different options. You could use it for different tracking methods like Google Analytics and so on. But for our purpose here, I'm gonna install the Facebook pixel in the header section. So we're just gonna paste it in there. And once you're pasted, go down and save. Okay. So now the pixel is installed on the header of your website on every page. Okay, and that's what you wanted. Now once you do that, go back to and basically continue the installation of your pixel or the activation. So click yes. Once you hit continue, you are pretty much done with the pixel installation. However, Facebook will take you to the next step of the installation wizard. Will take you to a process where you can set up specific events, where you can track specific events. As of now, you are tracking everything going on in your website. If you're happy that way, you can just leave it there, or you can go through the wizard and set up specific events that you would like to track. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.